love you. I repeat, I love you. If no one has ever told you this, if no one told you this today, this week, this month, this year, or this very second, I want you to know I love you. And I also want you to know that the fact that you're still alive and still on this earth, even though it's been challenging and rough, and sometimes you get discouraged and uninspired to keep going, God has a plan.
When you grow up, you tend to get told that the world is the way it is.
But I'm in reverse now. Don't follow me, 'cause I loved you most when you loved me least. No
Took a long time to get here. This is for nature. It's for nature.
If I lack a moment, I mean me, personally, I don't like to have the distraction of the camera. I just want to stay in it.
I'm pulling my way in. Go. Call me anxious, call me broke. Where do I start? Can't barely speak, 'cause you kept my voice living on its knees. But I'm in reverse now. Don't follow me, 'cause I loved you most when you loved me least. No more.
It ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward.
Time is precious, so don't take it for granted. Soak in the fresh air, enjoy the moment. Ciao, from Italy. Yeah, one more time.
I said I've never shot in Oakland before in my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Oakland, California.
My name is Andy Tu. I am a filmmaker, photographer, and social media influencer. Oh.
Looking at her all the time.
Don't act like that in front of the camera. Don't. Jalen.
Shout out to Andy too, behind the cam.
Supposed to give the animals bread, so I'm gonna give the animals some bread. I'm an animal.
JJ.
Yes.
We're out here.
Dog, blessings seeing you, homie. Blessings.
Hey,
I'm on Andy 2's vlog right now.
You
Like this shit. Alright, let's get this shit.
Real thugs don't dance, remember that shit. What are you doing?
My man.
Llamo Andy.
back to my channel, y'all. Welcome to Davenport.
Dara. Jason. So David got me my early birthday present. A whole burrito!
Hey, shout out to your boy Arga.
Where are we right now?
We are in Hallstatt.
I give to y'all Hallstatt.
To the vlog.
What up, guys?
This is Julian.
Hi Nick.
Hey.
Introduce yourself. Say to the vlog.
Nah. I'll be in this guide in this trip.
Yes.
You have to listen to it.
You shut it.
What?
Shut it, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is going online. I'm a YouTube.
I think I was having a conversation with Catherine and then she caught me like falling asleep. So sorry, Catherine. I'm like falling asleep talking to the camera right now. Tacos for life.
I called my father and I told him, but there is Andy here, and so we are safe. With Andy we can do everything.